For women, harassment is a daily reality.
Can you go away because you're freaking me the out, man?
Good! Shouldn't with people then, shouldn't
She thought it was just another ordinary day, a walk, a jog, a trip to the store. But for many women, ordinary moments can quickly turn unsafe. A stranger who won't take no, a voice that follows too close. This is the reality nearly 8 in 10 women face in public. Harassment isn't rare, it's routine. On June 13th, 2018 in Queensland, Australia, on a sunny day, a woman took her son and dog to the beach. While playing with her 2-year-old, an elderly man approached, at first appearing friendly. He gave her son a $20 bill to give to her for a coffee.
You take that and let mommy take you to the coffee place and enjoy.
Soon, however, his behavior escalated. The man then put his arm around her, gripped tightly, and tried several times to kiss her while complimenting her looks. Despite her pushing him away and making it clear she wasn't interested, he persisted.
No, thank you. No. You can have your money back. No. Okay, thank you. Okay. I'm not really interested. I do have a partner.
Finally, he grabbed her breast before leaving.
Okay, thank you.
Shocked and terrified, she gathered her things and called the police. Later, she saw him parked nearby. She confronted him about his actions.
What you did back there was completely and utterly inappropriate. You have made me feel really uncomfortable. I feel sick to my stomach. I did not know what to do in that moment. And if you go around waiting for girls to approach, you don't do that. That is so inappropriate. No, you made me feel absolutely very sick to my stomach. I was with my son also, and you have made me really upset. No, what you did was not okay. No, you don't approach people like that. You do not touch people like that. And if you think that's okay, then you're not okay. No, you don't approach people and do that to people. Go home and stop approaching young women.
That night, she posted the video on social media, which quickly went viral. Other women came forward, reporting similar experiences with the same man. Police confirmed the suspect was a 78-year-old with a stunning 97 prior offenses of a similar nature. He handed himself in the next day, and the woman has stated she will be pressing charges in court. On May 5th, 2019, in Pico Rivera, USA, after leaving a store, a woman and her younger sister were approached by an older man that tried to talk to them. When asked to leave them alone, the man attempted to grab the sister, prompting the woman to pull her away and push the man aside. The man then followed them to their car. Once inside, he continued making kissy faces and sexual remarks through the window. As the woman pulled out of the parking space to get him away from the vehicle, she accidentally ran over his foot. She then drove to another part of the lot and reported the incident to the police. The man, pretending as if nothing is wrong, makes a hand gesture to the woman and tries to get closer to the car again, but the woman quickly drives away. On August 20th, 2018, somewhere in the United States, a woman was shopping for school clothes for her 12-year-old daughter. Her daughter was changing in a stall when all of a sudden her mother catches a man trying to grab her daughter's legs from under the stall. Filled with anger, she chased the man down and caught up with him.
This right here is what a predator looks like. I caught this guy underneath my daughter's stall while she was changing in Route 21, and I had to chase him all the way down. Thankfully, I got him. Not today, buddy. Not today. I'm gonna make sure your face gets out so that you're not in any more stalls looking under little girls dressing.
In some places, malls have introduced curfews or chaperone policies, requiring minors to be accompanied by a guardian during certain hours to reduce unsupervised time and potential risk.
Not today. He didn't get away from this, Mom. Make sure you share this video, Amber. I want to get him out. It's my daughter's birthday in 2 days, and she has some sick pervert looking under her stall, trying to grab at her legs.
That's why it's important to stay alert, not only for yourself, but also for your kids. Always watch out for your children in public places, because even in the places that feel the most normal, dangers can still be hiding in plain sight. On October 26, 2021, in Midland, Texas, USA, a girl who had been working out at the gym for a couple of months was harassed multiple times by a man. When she happened to record her workout, she finally caught him in the act. Later, the man was arrested on a previous warrant and banned from the gym, giving this encounter a satisfying ending. On July 8, 2017 in Scotland, UK, at a Scottish music festival, everyone was dancing and having fun until one man decided to pick up a woman without her consent. And she reacted. Reminder, don't pick up strangers without their permission. On March 1st, 2023, in Woking, UK, a motorcyclist got into an altercation with a driver after filtering to the front at a set of traffic lights. The driver flew into a rage, swerving aggressively and trying to push the rider into oncoming traffic. Hoping to avoid trouble, the rider chose a different way home, but fate had other plans. The same driver appeared again, tailing close behind.
What is your issue? Dude, what's your problem? What's your problem?
The fact that you're right in front of my car like that and I can't move.
And
then you give it all this.
It's called
and look at you. Look at you.
Cyclists are allowed
Look
to
at
do
you.
that.
I can spark you
Mate,
right now.
What the
Spark
fuck?
you right now.
Have you got problems?
Got
Seriously,
loads.
go away.
Touch me again.
Can you go away because
again.
you're freaking me the out,
Good.
man?
Good. Shouldn't with people then. Should
You! Ah, you prick! Are you serious?
In the UK, road rage is rising fast. Last year, it caused over 2,700 crashes, 4,000 injuries, and 143 deaths. Nearly 7 in 10 drivers have faced it. A moment of anger on the road can end in tragedy. March 13th, 2018, Scottsdale, Arizona, USA. While out jogging, a woman was followed by a man in his truck who began catcalling her. No one did anything, so she started recording for her own safety.
This guy is following me.
You got me parking in the street.
I need you to stop following me right now. I don't know you. I don't know you. Bye! Oh my gosh, he won't leave. I'm about to call the police. I literally just had to run away from that guy, like full sprint. This is so annoying.
Afterwards, she had a meaningful message to share.
Guys, even if you are not actually physically touching a girl, harassing her by following her on the street is just as bad, because honestly I felt super scared for a moment. He would not leave me. He was like, I'm about to get out of this car and chase you. And the reason why I was kind of laughing-ish in the beginning is I didn't really know what was going on, so I don't think that I was like, stop following me, because I wasn't, trust me. And the most frustrating part about all of that was I was looking at all the other cars that were driving by, like looking, like saying like help, like this, like giving them like the eye, and I didn't do anything. So if you see someone harassing a girl, or a girl like literally going like that, like help me, do something. Jeez, people.
February 16th, 2017 in London, England. On a rare dry day in London, a woman on a bicycle stops at a stoplight, and you can see a van stopping very close to her to talk to her. The two men inside the van started harassing the girl, even so far as trying to touch her. She had none of it, but was forced to wait because of the red traffic light. She tried to get farther away from the van, but the men just kept getting closer. When the light finally turned green, the woman didn't hesitate for a second about what she was going to do next. In London, over 20,000 cyclists report being harassed on the road every single year. In a survey of more than 1,000 women cyclists, 93% said they had been intimidated by motor vehicle drivers, 77% of them said it happened at least once a month, but only a rare few end with the cyclist turning the tables like this. Do you think this was deserved? Let us know in the comments. March 25th, 2025, in Gandia, Spain. A young woman was walking to the store after an argument with her sister, recording a video on her phone. A man stopped her, asked for her WhatsApp, and when she refused, he began following her on his bike. He wouldn't leave her alone, asking for pictures, her number, even to go to his house.
No.
¿Por qué? Por favor.
No.
Por favor.
No.
Por favor.
Nope.
Por favor.
No. No.
Ciao, ciao. Ciao.
Ciao. Bye.
She kept saying no, but minutes later he found her again, this time getting off his bike and moving closer. Luckily, a police officer noticed and stepped in. The man was stopped and the woman was able to walk away safely.
Update, guys. He got stopped by the police. So, thank you, policeman, very much, because he would not stop following me for 20 minutes. And I kept saying no, and they're asking for his ID now, so that just shows if you're following someone and they say no, go away and stop following them.
Street harassment is everywhere. In Spain, 98% of women report it. For young women in big cities, it's nearly 8 in 10. And in most cases, no one steps in to help. On August 1st, 2016, in Chelyabinsk, Russia, the store Magnet in Chelyabinsk recorded from a surveillance camera when a man using his cell phone secretly looked under the dress of a young woman. She did not notice, but looked at the man suspiciously. After not being caught, the man just walks off like nothing happened. In Russia, upskirting, secretly photographing under women's skirts, remains a hidden crime. There's no specific law against it, only vague privacy charges, and awareness is dangerously low. Surveys show that over half of Russians believe sexual harassment is exaggerated or not a problem at all. Stay alert and always watch out. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our future content.